Aston Martin Valhalla is projected as the son of the Aston Martin Valkyrie. However, that doesn't mean that it's somehow less of a supercar. This supercar might not have the V12 engine like its big brother, but the V6 engine installed in it, which we'll be seeing in the upcoming Vanquish, is likely for 1000 bhp. The car has a similar carbon fiber structure used in the Valkyrie. The company claims that this car is more of a use in the real-world car. This car is set to hit the roads by late 2021 or early 2022. Number 8. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is considered to be the successor for the Ferrari hypercar and is the most powerful and fastest accelerating Ferrari the company has made until today. This car is based on the 488 Pista with a twin-turbo V8, giving rise to an astonishing 986 bhp. The car reaches the 62 mph mark at just over 2.5 seconds. Given the performance of the car, the price of this Ferrari car is set to be lower than the V12 hybrid hypercar. Number 7. Aston Martin Vanquish. The Aston Martin Vanquish is reborn and made in a way that it can challenge the likes of McLaren 720S, Lamborghini AVJ, and Ferrari F8 Tributo. This car uses a V6 engine designed and built in the UK. The car reaches the 62 mph mark in just 3.8 seconds, while the top speed is 201 miles per hour.